Hey, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're taking a look at the battle that Tesla and some lawmakers from California shared on Twitter. Of course, the lawmakers do not want Tesla reopen their factory, but they really don't care and they're going to do so anyway, which is absolutely incredible. Make sure to drop a like if you agree with their decision to reopen the factory, and leave some comments down below on any other style of video you want to see. $837 per share. As you can see, an absolute plummet from about $968 to roughly $350, and then the rise back up to $837. That's all in a matter of months, and I'm actually more optimistic about the company's 5 to 10 year outlook now than I was before this situation happened, of course, globally. But the economy will restart soon, the global economy that is. I think it's going to be very interesting to see how consumers react to Cybertruck release, hopefully the Roadster the year after, whenever that gets put into production, and then the semi-truck as well, which I think will sell very, very well. Tesla is restarting production today against Alameda County rules. I seen this tweet and I actually wasn't frustrated with it. I didn't think it was a stupid tweet, and of course plenty of people agreed with him, almost 500,000 likes. I think it does make sense. All the other legacy automakers are up and running while Tesla is being penalised by a small county in California. Of course it had to be California, who else? Yes, California approved, but an unelected county official illegally overrode. And then, as you can see, only Tesla has been singled out. They're not happy. They're the biggest employer in the county, and obviously they need to be back up and running as soon as possible. This situation has highlighted how imperative the Shanghai gigafactory has been to Tesla. Obviously, they've been ramping that up. They can now produce roughly 3,000 cars per week over in Shanghai. But they do need Fremont back up and running so they're able to meet demand and be able to produce again. So this is just a short little video. I thought I had to go over it. There's just so much information that needs to be shared, and I am very, very hopeful that Fremont won't cause too many problems, and I don't think there'll be much more controversy on Twitter over the next few days. We'll see probably more announcements on how this developed. Wait, we did. Of course, someone put up a tweet. This person, Lorena, I think it is, claims to be a progressive Democrat. She's of course on that board in Alameda County. I'm not going to say that first word there because I'm sure you know, and there might be some liberals watching this from California and they might start crying. So we're just going to say Elon Musk. That was the tweet. As you can see, 200,000 likes, which I'm quite surprised. I didn't expect that many likes for such a absurd post. But of course they're not happy with him. They think he's having a tantrum or going on a little hissy fit. You might see some articles up if you search up Tesla stock news of people saying it's just another obviously tantrum from the CEO Musk, but I think it makes total sense. It's unfair to have them penalise the workers if they want to go back and are willing to do so with strict safety measures. I think they'll be fine. And of course Tesla, this all started and sprung out of the lawsuit that Tesla filed against Alameda County, which I think that they're going to go and win if that goes ahead and proceeds. Assuming that it does. I highly doubt it now once they get reopened again. But as you can see, Ford are done. They're done and dusted. Goodbye, see you later. They haven't even started working on electric. Technically they have, but they really haven't. Like their autopilot so far, they haven't even started on autopilot by the looks of things. And General Motors, they're just done and dusted as well. About 100 billion in debt, thereabouts. And they're valued at about 35 billion. I think they're done as well. I know you can't just simplify the numbers that easily, but I looked at General Motors. I wouldn't buy it if someone forced me to. I do not like that stock at all. And Ford, of course, not only sliced their dividend, they actually suspended it for the time being. And they expect a huge loss, obviously, in Q2 that we discussed in a previous video. But I really do fear for those companies, because Ford is obviously a great name for the automobile industry in general. But we have the new company Tesla on the block, relatively new compared to Ford, and they've just shook up the game. So as you can see, someone else got involved. This was just mayhem. California should let Tesla and Elon Musk open the plant now. It can be done fast and safely. It's a typical Trump tweet, as you can see by the way he even phrased it, but it's true. Elon needs to get the factory back open. The workers need to get back in there producing cars, if they agree to do so, obviously, for safety measures. But I'm very happy with Tesla's performance, where they're sitting. Their results for Q1 were obviously impeccable, and I think they're going to do even better over the long term. I'm very interested to see how their yearly performance is in terms of revenue and net profit. I hope this is a profitable year. They haven't had a profitable year yet, but maybe 2020 can be the year. So we're just going to end this video off with obviously a short video of the Cybertruck. I can't wait until this is released and to see how people react. It's going to be absolutely incredible. I really can't wait. I really do like the design. I know polls show about 60% don't. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys soon.